Hey YouTube, it's Urs. Welcome back to my channel where I paint super awesome murals and provide tips, tricks, and tools for my fellow creatives. In this video, I'll talk about the sequence of steps that go into every mural. So let's get started. First, you want to clear the area and make sure you have plenty of room to work, size up the wall, and get a decent idea of the space you'll be covering with paint. Now, spray paint is very messy. A clogged cap will drip, and the process of spraying the paint releases a small dust-like cloud of paint particles that will cover the ground in a thin layer of paint. So properly taping up the area will save you a lot of time during the cleanup. After properly taping up the area, you want to start placing points of reference by building a doodle grid. In another video, I explain the doodle grid process step by step, so check it out. Anyway, you want to have your doodle grid photo close and easily accessible because you will constantly glance at it in order to find the proper lines in your piece. After the first lines, you want to fill in the larger areas of color, starting with areas of the piece that make up the background. Quick tip: when talking depth, the things that are further away in your piece are going to be darker and harder to see, and the things that are closer will be brighter and more saturated. However, I found it best to start with the mid-tones of your piece and to finish the piece as a whole, not section by section, because the creative process is very attention demanding and spending too much time in one place will kill the momentum of your piece. Going too light or too dark too early will cause more frustrations in the long run. So take your time and, more importantly, have fun. The creative process can be a very frustrating one, and if you're not having fun, it's going to show in your piece. As always, thanks for watching. Any questions or topics for upcoming videos, be sure to leave them in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer them in the next video. Leave a like, hit that red bell, and also hit the subscribe button, man. The subscribe button, my little face. Go tap that one time. No, I'm really just too